Big dogs, check vibe. Welcome to the Titty Day Adventure Challenge. I think it was last Easter, we tried the 7-day hiking challenge. Today, we're gonna start the Titty Day hiking challenge. Where for 30 days straight, I'm gonna bring gems from Trinidad and Tobago and maybe from other countries. We never know what could happen. I'm gonna show you this vibe. Check vibe. Oh, look at this water. Oh yes, so right now on the Pigeon Point area in Tobago to kick off the 30-day challenge. Yesterday we supposed to do down the islands Gashpri, but tropical wave number 17 come and lick me up, so had to postpone the event. We will try to have the event in the future. I don't know when. I'll get back to you with that. Anyway, I just want to buy some fish from the fish vendors by Pigeon Point. I love to get my mahi, and later on I'll cook up that. Get some little bait as well. I'll try to catch a little fish later. I brought the caster, I brought the rod. So 30 days guys, 30 adventures. Boom. Whoop. Big dogs, check vibe. Guess what it is now? Let's show you this vibe. Oh, my slippers fall along it. Let's show you this vibe. Touchdown and Bago. I'll buy some fish. Show you the vibe best now. I like this one. I'll get this one now.
I want 4 pounds.
Yeah, big dogs. I'll get the fish there. From this block. Boom shot. Oh, this place vibes, you will. Check vibes. Ooh. I love Tobago. Check this vibe now though. Check this vibe now. Gosh. When last year see how floppy this. Vibe. Hold on. Now you got cool one. Bago's bar. Alright, cocktails and vibes. Exiting. Heading up. Make a little grocery run. Going up to Charlottesville. Bye. Whoop. Big dogs! Check this vibe. You know what this is? You know where this is? This is called King's Waterfall. Got it. King's Waterfall. My god, it's beautiful. Look at that. Day 1 of the 30-day adventure challenge. Every day we're doing an adventure for 30 days. Check vibe. King's Waterfall. This is just amazing, big dogs. Let's climb up a little bit. Give you a better view. Oh wow. Today hike challenge. Boom. Yeah, big dogs. So this is this is the road to get to King's Waterfall. I just exited there. I say I'll just do a little small video and show you the vibe. Oh, firewood. That's not all. I'll get some of that firewood there. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so right now there are container on the junction. And I can't really get any firewood there. Everything green. So this is what the junction looks like. So in case you want to visit King's Waterfall, it's in the vicinity of Kings Bay. And when that rain coming to catch me there, buddy. Rain big dogs. This is the river that comes out from the waterfall here, the bridge. The river there on that side. And right around the corner here, you will see to Kings Bay beach facility. Just slow down and you'll see the sign. Just slow down and see the sign. See the sign there? Right big dogs. So I'm heading up now to Charlottesville. I'll catch you there probably when I set up the tent. Rain pouring bucket jump. Titty Day Adventure Challenge. Boom! Big dogs! Now we'll set up a tent there. What's going on? Fully rain fly. Oh, that rain fly. Look, put one on. Put one on. Yeah. Heating up all the food there. I'll check your back on now. I'll show you the vibe. I don't know if you're seeing any of that, I doubt. But there's a hammock on it there. Okay. Tap to the tree. Tap to the tree. Check this light. You can have a little all the food here. I'm not looking like nothing much, but got a little shrimp, black eye, and rice. I cook it, let's heat it up for mom. That's what I brought from yesterday, lunch from yesterday. So that's good. What I give you? Check that view, big dogs. Day 1, the Titty Day Adventure Challenge, right? So let's show you a little more. We have another camper. So she's setting up her stuff right now. So when she's finished, I will make a little video about it. I'm gonna eat this food now. Boom. Car camping. I'll try to get the headlight just now and put on. You can see what we're going on. If not, I'll catch you if I see anything interesting. Boom. Summer's calling.